Hey guys, Rigo here with Email Processing System. So what I wanted to talk about in this video is how to promote EPS even though you don't have your own personal proof just yet. So you might not have your own personal proof because obviously that's everyone's in the same boat. Everyone starts out in any program not having any results, not having any proof to show just yet. So how do we get through that? Well, the key is you don't have any personal proof yet, but we're all a part of a team, which is why the team was created and why we're all joining a team, so we can leverage each other's results, so we can leverage the team's results, so we can show proof to people that that might want to join the program through us, through you. So we use proof from our teammates so they can see that people are getting paid and people are making sales. So that's basically how you get over that obstacle. You share your team's results, you leverage those results while you're creating your own. And then when you have your own, then you share that proof with people as well. And I mean, it's still a good idea to keep showing proof from your team because people wanna make they want to see other people having success, because it's one thing for me to make my own sales, but people want to see that your team is making sales as well, so they can know that they can join and they're gonna be able to potentially make a lot of money as well. So, and of course that depends on each person's hard work, dedication. If you don't do anything, well, guess what, you're not gonna make any sales. So so it's just good to, I think it's good to share personal and as well as team proof. So that's pretty much, but what I wanted to go over in this video was how to get over that little obstacle in the beginning, and that's pretty much how we do it. And we actually have a little training here, which is why I'm on this page right here. This is part of our training that we give to all our excuse me, to all our team members here. So let's go overhead, and well, this is like, it's pretty self-explanatory. This part of the training is a strategy number 2, how to post in Facebook groups. So we're gonna go down, and of course that video goes over that. Then we go to high converting picture ads, and this section will teach you how to leverage your team's results, as you guys can see. And there's a video there on how to there's a website that we use. You can kind of upload your own pictures and edit them and whatnot. Just it's not complicated. You don't really have to be very tech savvy. You just have to know a few basic things, and it's very easy. So basically, you'll be able to get these proof results from our team and share them in Facebook groups, so you can share proof that people are getting paid, they're making sales. So that's basically how we do it. And let me show you guys just one more example. So this is an example, one of our team members making sales. We even have like text sample ads that you can use, but and we have a lot more you can use, a lot more proof you can use, but this is just for our paid members, so I can't be showing you guys everything. I just wanted to give you guys like a little sneak preview here. So let me get out of there. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That's how we get through the little barrier, the little obstacle that we are all faced, because it's something that we all go through when joining a new program. So let me go ahead, and in the spirit of that, let me go ahead and go to our Facebook group over here, show you guys some proof as well. So let's go over here, photos. This is our Facebook group, by the way. If you don't know, Change Your Life, No Limits Team. Let's go to some photos, some recent proof over here. And people, these are people who are part of our team that are uploading pictures of their proof all the time. So they're just doing it, like, just kind of sharing their results and doing it out of kindness, pretty much, so everyone else can use them, can use these results, these proof pictures, and can see that people are making sales, people are getting paid every single day. So that's why. So this is from yesterday, $25 sale, and there's a bunch of these, so I don't have to go, and these are, wow, this is amazing. $25 sale, like every half hour, wow, this is 4 minutes, 7 minutes, so this is crazy. $25 sales, I mean, they add up, of course they add up. That's $125 in like a little less than 2 hours. That's crazy. Let's keep going. So some more proof. 25. This is 27th. Today I'm filming this video on January 29th. So this is the 27th. This is 2 days ago. But yeah, there's more proof down here, and I don't have to go into that. I've showed you guys before, and I'll keep showing you guys, but I don't really want to get too into that right now. Waste more of you guys' time, because I've basically gone over what I wanted this video to be about. So this is just like a really important thing that you have to consider whenever joining any business opportunity, because like I mentioned, everyone is on the same boat when they join a new program. Everyone is not going to have results because they're just beginning. So you should really have some kind of strategy to get past that, and this is the strategy that we use, that we teach in our team, and is very powerful. That's pretty much it, guys. If you guys have any questions about what email processing system is, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I have other videos that go over what it is. I also always leave my Facebook link down there. You guys can add me, contact me, message me, whatever you guys want to do, whatever you guys prefer. I'll leave my email as well if you guys have any other questions, or you guys prefer to, for some reason you guys prefer to email me. You guys can do that. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope that I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.